Poor cab. Santa Claus, come on.
And I was on a good streak, man. Between last week and today, last week the new tube was bad straight out of the box.
Oh yeah.
What was the matter
This
with
week I popped the stem.
Right opposite the valve stem, it had a hole.
Give it in it?
Yeah.
You see it before you pumped it up? I mean, as you pumped it up, or
Tried to pump it up and it wouldn't hold air.
after you put it on, or
No, before.
yeah, there's a slight chance mine could have been an operator error, but I don't really think so. I was beginning to fret at that point.
Could be worse.
Wednesday night before the
Doing this
for the race.
sucking chest.
Ho ho ho! Is that not click?
Ho ho!
Does that not click when it makes
Dan, give me your man.
car up?
Okay. It's doing.
We need a hand job. Jeff was holding my nuts. Tired.
Yeah, will you hold it?
Oh, sure.
It's, right now it's working as a video camera.
Oh.
Man up for me. Clearly too much of a girl to do it.
HTFU, D.
Pathetic.
Then, it's good teamwork. You put it on and he snaps the stem off.
For some reason, I always had better luck with the long ones. But I guess I need the short stems, huh?
You know, it's easier if you put it in if you make that side the last side.
Oh, really? Opposite
Yeah,
the
you
valve?
don't.
Oh, I thought it was the other way. Well, you want to just pop it over there and I'll do it on the other end?
I'm getting close.
Alright. Sorry, those.
That's a trick I did.
I thought, see, I knew there was a side, but I had it exactly
We're not going to be able to stop for coffee now.
Now we're going to have to stop for coffee because we're all going to be
These
so
nuts.
cold.
Tiny, aren't they?
The tiny nuts.
Tiny nuts.
Tiny nuts. There they are.
They're all shriveled up and tiny.
Is that the police coming up the road?
Everybody in the house is like, what are all these Santas doing out here for so long in front of our house?
Well, if the worst comes to worst, he just scoots over so he's in the public right-of-way.
It's in the sidewalk there, if there was a sidewalk.
Where do you think the property line is here?
You know, I was wondering, it looks like it actually may be right at the edge of the pavement.
Something coming. Coming up fast.
There's the police.
You stand someplace long enough, the whole world passes by.
No, I'm hurrying, I'm doing my best.
No, you're fine. You weren't there at the time it was like this. It was pissing rain. Paul got a flat, and we're all standing around talking. Pretty soon it's like 20 minutes later, and he's still messing around. Then we look over there. He's trying to patch.
And it's raining on his glue. It's all wet.
Alright, so what's the technique here?
Now this camera must have a boatload of storage.
Videoing?
Yeah.
So then we realized what he was doing.
Yeah, and one of us gave him.
And we all threw tubes at him.
So Dan, how much storage does this thing have?
With the card in there, I think it'll take like 45 minutes of video.
Wow.
You shooting video?
Yes.
He'll be done by then. Better be.
You'll be able to see it on YouTube tomorrow.
Be stroked in.
there's no, I don't know any good way to email video clips.
No, they're too big.
So the world
Check
can
it for
see.
voltages.
No.
Yeah, check the seat.
Check the
seat,
other
man.
side.
You
Yeah.
blown one out before, remember?
What's that?
Remember that last year at North Portland? Wasn't seated?
Oh yeah, make sure you don't pop the
Yeah,
tire off.
That wasn't
It's wet. This may be head for coffee and head for home.
tire off, came out and
Oh,
that's right.
Yeah. Well, if
And
we're
that's
going,
right
it'd be
through the
one
gate.
thing, but standing around.
Well, at least we're climbing. We'll warm up quick. I think it'll be a shorter ride today. This is okay with me because I got
Go down
right.
to the zoo.
Well, he wanted to go down to the zoo and then go over to Northwest.
Yeah.
So that won't be too long.
Yeah.
So that's
No, we're
okay with
almost-
me because I got a ride back to Oregon City.
We're almost there versus going up Skyline to you can take the, not right up Skyline to the zoo now, but take that little side road down to the zoo. Come up through the parking lot. Either way.
I was thinking you last night. I don't know.
almost done.
Is that what
First. Raining good now. That's hard.
There you go.
What a pain.
So how big a memory card's in this thing?
I think it's maybe a 1 gig or.
somewhere.
Same car, yeah.
Oh, nice one.
You have a dynamo in there?
The hub?
Yeah.
It's a Shimano generator hub.
Hello.
Runs that way.
Yeah. Oh, the Silver Light.
Yeah.
It worked pretty well.
No, it works amazingly well.
Is there a little battery to hold it when it stops?
No.
When you stop, you don't have the light.
Right.
This is such a,
It doesn't matter.
seems like you have a little
I thought it
LED
was
in
like-
there or something just to
Well,
run.
there's actually LED at the top. You can run it with that motor with the light.
Oh, okay.
And then there's a little change in resistance. But the thing works. I mean, at night, you can see okay by. If you're riding around in the city,
Yeah.
it's great.
Yeah.
Out on an unlit road, it's okay.
Well, I imagine when you're under speed, it's brighter, and when you're
Right.
not going as fast, it's not as bright.
Yeah, I like the concept because I usually like to have a light on all the time.
Yeah.
Day or night.
And you don't have to worry about the batteries running out.
Right. Right. And like if I were riding around in the city a lot, I just have a little blinker light on there so that when you stop, you still got some light.
So did it, I can't quite see the wires.
The wires just come up this side.
No, okay, so it just comes out the end of the hub.
There's a little clip so if you pull them